Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Riverstone Legacy fifth wheel, and I've got these openings on my furnace vents that I want to get sealed up from like pests, mice, wasps, you know, just whatever can get in there. So if you have any vents on your RV, you want to walk around and make sure they're all sealed up. I bought this over at Camping World. It's like 10 to 15 bucks. If you go in the store, it's $14.99. It's the Fur 100 Camco Flying Insect Screen. The measurements are there, and that's everything that it covers. So I have a Suburban cover, and they sell some singles that are just round that would go right over it, you know, but I just wanted to get one whole unit that goes right over. So as you can see, it comes with the tool, the screen, and the little pieces to secure it on. So anyway, go pick you up one of these or something similar, but yeah, let's get into it. I'll show you how to put it on. It's real easy. Cool, so I just wanted to point out, I put you on the tripod. It comes with the tool, the two pieces to secure it on, which you're just going to place that right in the middle. So, and then it hooks right onto the screen. So, yeah, pretty simple. It also has, get this open here. Actually, it's kind of nice. It feels pretty good. So it's got a little rubber protectant so it won't jack up the piece. Looks like it fits right over here. Thought it was going to stay. I was going to show you. So yeah, it's kind of what it looks like there. Let me get you a little bit closer. Move you over a little. There you go. All right, so let's put these on. All right, wanted to get you to where you can see it real good. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place it over where I think it needs to be. Okay, and then you're going to get these little clips here. See if I can get it to focus. Notice it just clips on two parts. Okay, and then I'm going to get, like I say, place it where you think it needs to be, and then I'm going to go on the back side, and I'm just going to kind of, I've got my finger marked on the other side there. I'm just going to mark it close. And just push it through the little piece there. That one looks good. Now I'm marking the bottom one. I'm going to carefully tip it. Okay. Alright. So just kind of mark it the best that you can. Okay. Get your little tool. You'll notice it has a little area you pry through. So just go through one of the little squares. See if you can clip it there. You get to watch me struggle. Okay, maybe we need to go underneath. Some of these squares are open more than another. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna go from above. There we go. All right, I might be a little bit off on my deal, so I'm gonna move it a little bit down. Once again, you get to see me struggle, so So I've been getting a lot of wasps. I'm just trying to make sure they don't get in my RV. There we go. All right, I got one. Hopefully you've seen that. Now let's see if I can even get the other one. I sure hope so. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. No. All right. Yeah. This is fun. It's actually not hard. It's just I'm recording, so it feels like it's taking a whole lot longer. I would kind of like to switch this, turn this a little bit. This is funny. Hopefully you can see here. Let me move you a little bit. Okay, so I realized you couldn't really like see it too well, but long story short, so you have where the Y is, you just want to set the vent over the unit, put your finger where you want the spring, and then pull it off, set the spring on there, put it back on, and then you feed your little tool. Let's see how well you can see this. You can see those itty bitty squares, and this barely fits. You feed it through, you hook it in there, and then you put it behind the little Y in there. So basically the Y portion, you just put it and it hooks behind, and you do that on top and bottom, and that's it. So as you can see, it's tight, it's snug behind here. Okay, it's snug all the way around and down below. So now the issue that I have with wasps getting in there, mice, it's not going to happen. So if this video helped you, make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. There's a lot of different units, so all I did is I just measured it, and then originally I was going to get those circular ones, but I feel like this was way better. So I'm super happy with this though. But yeah, I'll make sure I link this in the description down below, and like I say, like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks.